If you clicked on this YouTube video, you more than likely just got started with HighLevel and you're looking to get your first client. It was just about 2 years ago whenever I was in your shoes and I was dying to get my first customer because I was just so excited. If this is your first time watching this channel, my name is James. I'm 22 years old and right now I have about 115 clients within my agency. There are so many different things that I have learned along this journey, and so I wanted to put this together and just give you 5 tips to get your first client. And recently I've actually been showing people how to get their first client and they have been absolutely killing it using my strategies that I know. Which, by the way, if you use my affiliate link down below, you can actually book calls with me where I can personally help you throughout your agency journey. But anyways, this video is all about helping you, so let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So 5 simple ways to get your first Go High Level client. Number 1 is cold calling. Look, you need to be able to cold call. I know you might be scared, you might be nervous, you don't want to, but you cannot succeed if you're not able to talk to customers. I'm just going to get off my chest. I'm just going to say it. It's either a win or lose situation. Do you want to be profitable with this business model or do you not want to be? And look, while I was doing this business model, whenever I was first getting started, I was working at a job called HEB, which is a grocery store here in Texas. And I did not want to stay there. I knew I was meant for something greater. I knew I could, be a better use of my time. And so I really hunkered down and I mastered the art of cold calling. I would say mastered, because if this is your first time watching me, I actually gotten majority of my clients from cold calling. A lot of people call me crazy, a lot of people call me delusional, but it is something that you need to learn. So that's why I made this the first tip. Cold calling and having a targeted list with that. So let me go ahead and share my screen now. And what you want to do is scrape local business list in your niche. Now, a lot of content creators in this space say niche down, go for chiropractors, go for spas, go for those types of businesses. But I do not recommend that. Why? Because you're more than likely going to run a receptionist or a gatekeeper. That is not who you want to talk to. You want to talk to the business owner whenever you are calling these businesses. And so that's why I recommend going for the home service based niche. So things like landscapers, plumbers, HVAC, those different niches are absolutely amazing. Why? Because their phone number, their direct owner is most likely the business owner's number on the Google My Business page. So you have direct access to them. You can give them a call and talk directly who you need to talk to. Focus on businesses with weak or outdated websites. So what that looks like is people with about 10 Google reviews, maybe 15 Google reviews, and they have a really bad website or they don't even have one at all. That's who your prime time client is that you want to outreach to. Call with a simple value-based opener. I cannot stress this enough. You need to sound curious. You don't want to sound scripted. You don't want to sound like you're calling some corporate line. You don't want to sound like that at all. You want to sound like you're actually genuinely trying to help them. Help a friend, make a friend. That's the ideology you need to have in the back of your mind whenever you're doing this. And so with the value-based opener, something that I want to say is that you should be offering a sample website, which we'll get into that here. I believe it's the 5th tip in this video, but you need to be offering a sample website. I cannot stress that enough. It's super easy with HighLevel. They more than likely already have a template for you for a landscaper, for a plumber, or if you sign up using my link down below, I have tons of templates that you get access to as well. And then you want to offer the AI website plus automation solution. So what that looks like is having a smart website. You can tell them that it gets a live AI chatbot, pretty much a 24-hour receptionist on their website. And you also get a Google review automation as well, which will help boost their Google reviews. Because as they should know, a good website mixed with good reviews, that is a floodgate that has been opened up for leads for their business. Now, keep the pitch short and problem focused. You don't want to go rambling on. You don't want to not let them talk on the call. A lot of the times, and something that I do want to say is a lot of the business owners will self-admit. They know if they have a bad website. They know if they're not getting leads. They know if they don't have a lot of Google reviews. You just have to let them talk and let them explain what they're going through. And more than likely, they're going to sell themselves into booking that demo call with you. Again, this is all coming from experience. I used to make 100 dials a day. Now I don't really have to as much just because of how big my agency is, but trust me, I know what I'm talking about here. Number 2, Facebook group plus giveaway. I actually had a person join the paid community recently and she was able to get her first client within like 3 days of trying. It wasn't even that long of a process, and that's because she used this strategy right here. Join local business Facebook groups. There's a ton of them. If you look on your Facebook right now, you can find one with landscapers in your area. You can find one plumbers in your area, pressure washing businesses in your area, all those different types of niches. You just go ahead and join those Facebook groups and you want to offer a 1 free website giveaway. Just make a post. Say, hey, I'm trying to grow my portfolio. I want to go ahead and do a free website giveaway. Go ahead and comment your business name down below and why you won a website, and I'll pick a winner in 2 days. So let everybody make their submissions, collect the interested business owners, and then you actually do want to build the free website for the winner. You don't want to lie. You don't want to do anything like that. You want to actually build the site for them. And again, like I said, you can either use one of my templates or you can use Go High Level's templates and it'll be automatically done pretty much. You just got to swap out logos, some pictures, get the services done, and boom, the free website is done. And then this is the most important part. Follow up with the non-winners. So by the time you're done with that 2-day wait duration or however long you make the wait, I mean, to be honest, if it's a little bit longer, that's actually better because you want to get as many businesses as you can interested in your post. And then you want to follow up with the non-winners with a offer that's paid. And you want to say, hey, sorry, we already picked the winner. Unfortunately, you weren't the winner. But what we want to go ahead and do is we want to offer you a setup fee waived and no contracts, just $97 a month. And that covers hosting, maintenance, unlimited website updates. And that gets you that brand new website, of course. And you get a live AI chatbot and Google review automation if you want to throw those in. If not, I mean, to me, it just makes sense to also give them some AI so that way they're more sticky. But yeah, go ahead and do that. Follow up with the non-winners. And that's where you can actually get some clients through the door. Like I said, someone that joined the paid community, she did this and was able to get her first client in literally 3 days of using the strategy. So there's no excuses. The next one, which is Nextdoor leads, and then you want to send them a cold SMS. I actually just posted a reel on my Instagram, which my Instagram will be in the link in bio, so you can go ahead and watch it if you want to. And I sent a cold SMS message. I was wearing Meta glasses, met the client, closed the deal, got it all on video. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and check that out. But just to break down the strategy a little bit more, you want to find local businesses on Nextdoor and identify ones without a strong online presence. And so what that looks like is just going on Nextdoor, and a lot of people will be making posts. Hey, I'm looking for a handyman to install this faucet. Hey, I'm looking for a landscaper to lay this mulch for me. There's a lot of posts on there that businesses will go ahead and comment on and leave their contact information, and that you can easily go ahead and reach out to them after that. What I like to do is I like to either number one, click on their profile because you can link your profile on Nextdoor, or they'll leave their phone number. And so just give a quick search on Google. See if they have a Google My Business page. See if they have a website for their business already. Check out all those different things. And again, like I said, you want to identify the ones without a strong online presence. Those are the ones you want to outreach to. And then this one is kind of, you can pivot, because if you are a brand new marketing agency, I mean, you can send the sample already to them to their phone if you wanted to, just make it more generalized, or you can kind of withhold it and kind of bait them into the demo call so that way you have them face to face. It's really up to you, but you can send a simple personalized SMS message from your phone, and you just want to ask them like, hey, I already built you a sample website. I saw you didn't have one. Is that something that you would be interested in? And they mention the chatbot and the review automation as well. Now, this one I do recommend doing after they already show their interest. So once they say yes, go ahead and send it over, then you want to either try and get them to book, or if you want to send the sample link, like I said, it's up to you. Then you want to mention that, and just you kind of want to keep the messages short and conversational. You don't want to keep anything too long. Like I said, I'll put up a picture of the message I sent to that business owner. It's not very long at all. It's pretty short and concise. And don't overthink. Short text convert better. I cannot stress that enough. You don't want to be sending paragraphs to these business owners. That's not at all what you want to do. You want to keep it quick, easy, read. These people are busy. The last thing they want is read some long paragraph whenever they're on their way home or in between a job, whatever the case is, or getting to the office site that day. Next one is local service ads. So I actually just went over this, I believe, in my latest YouTube video, and I actually took this strategy a little bit deeper, but just to explain it in this one, what you want to do is target your city or nearby area. So what that looks like is I live in Round Rock, Texas, and there's a huge water tower in my city. It's kind of a staple in the community. And so I just filmed a quick ad in front of it. I just made a simple offer with the website and automation. So, a smart AI website and live ad chatbot, Google review automation system. Have your price point as low. You don't want to have some high price point jumping out of the gate. You don't want to have some $497 a month package whenever you don't even know how to set up HighLevel for a client yet. You don't want to do that. You want to make it quick and easy. It's going to be, a hard process for you in the very beginning, but then you'll start understanding it. Now, the next one is strong call to action. So you either want to say, click the link down below to get started, or book your free demo down below. Whatever you want to say, go ahead and have that as a strong call to action. Show before and after website examples. Now, what I recommend doing for this is just pulling some templates. Either, again, if you sign up with my link down below, you can pull some of those, or you can actually go through Go High Level's template library of websites they have. Just make up some stuff, put a logo on it, say like, oh yeah, we built this one. You don't have to say it's necessarily for a client. You can just say you built it, kind of show your expertise that you can do with the website building. Or if you want to have VAs, which you actually get direct access to if you're my affiliate, you get direct access to the ones that I work with that I've been using for my agency journey, even now to this day. And you can even get them to build you some crazy nice sample websites. That way you can have them on the back end if you ever need to whip something up for them. And then your offer needs to be simple, and you don't want to have anything too complicated. Like I said, these people, as long as they speak a simple language, if I give you money and you make me money back plus more, you're going to keep getting paid. That's literally how they work. That's how they think, which there's nothing wrong with that. You just need to understand that as an agency owner. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last and final one. Lead with a sample sample website. Like I said, we're going to get into this. This was the last one. I cannot stress to you how important sample websites have been to my agency. If it wasn't for having this offer of like, hey, I have a sample website for you. It's already done, has your name, has your logo, has your services done on it. Is that something that you wanted to see? Kind of puts them in a position where it's like, yes or no. Do you want this or not? We already put our time and effort into it. And so build a quick demo site before reaching out to an extent. What I mean by before reaching out is you want to have it for that niche. So you want to have it for roofers. You already want to have one done. You already want to have one done for landscapers. You already want to have one done for plumbers. You want to have all that good to go and ready. Send link during outreach. Again, this is optional, but if you're in the beginning, I just recommend like spewing out the messages. Just go, 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 go. And I actually use my personal phone for my cold SMS. Don't automate anything. That's actually illegal, but just send it out manually and then show what their business could look like. Again, say this is what your business could look like. We already have it done for you. I mean, it's just a matter of you paying us and we get it implemented within your business. So you kind of want to sell that image to them. Let them know that this is the end goal and this is what we're trying to do for you. And then position as a done for you solution. Again, these business owners are paying you. They don't want to have to do anything. The most that they should have to do is just really send you pictures. That's really it. Other than that, you can find everything else online, more than likely, like their phone number, all those different things, their email. You can find that online. So you want to position it as, hey, this is a stress off your shoulders. Let us go ahead and take care of everything. That's how you want to position it. And make price objections easier. What I mean by that is coming up with a great offer, such as $97 a month or $197 a month, $297 a month. You just want to make it as simple as possible. And seeing is believing. So once they see that sample website done, they're like, oh, wow, this marketing agency really took time out of their day to go ahead and do this for me. That speaks volumes to them. Why? Because these business owners are getting 10 to 15 calls a day in a different country from people even in the US. So you want to set yourself apart, and that's how this sample website really does that. So that is everything as far as the 5 tips go. Start outreach, show value, build trust, close a client. Simple process. Pick one method and execute daily until the first client lands. So like I said, I was in your shoes literally 2 years ago. I was doing this exact same thought process of how can I get my first client through the door? I really need to get this ball rolling. And so if I had to put it all together, these are the 5 simple ways to get your first client using GHL. Now, I'll go ahead and link my past YouTube video of what that looks like, of actually whenever they get on the demo and how you can actually close them using my closing script. And I actually built a full-on demo deck in Miro, and I'll go ahead and link that YouTube video right here. So that is everything in today's video. I'll see you in the next one.